10x altcoins soon. As we wrap up Q3 2021, we're seeing a huge shift in the cryptocurrency climate. Before the true bear market sets in, investors have a short period to really invest heavily and see some solid returns from a few brilliant altcoin projects. The NFT sector in particular saw an insane boom across the former half of 2020, but although the hype has largely died down, it's hard to ignore the fact that the NFT industry is seeing continued growth throughout 2021. Great to see you back again at No Cap Crypto. Today, we'll be focusing on some of the most exciting new projects out of the NFT sector and what offerings you should consider investing in. Pay close attention and make sure you stick around to the end of this video because we've definitely saved our hottest pick for last. As of now, crypto analysts are somewhat divided on the future of the DeFi space, with forecasts claiming that many teams will either opt for insurance-based projects or NFT and blockchain gaming-related offerings. It's hard to ignore the sheer attractiveness of the NFT sector as a whole. Being able to create and mint fully verifiable and provable authentic works of digital art is truly invaluable, with a number of high-profile celebrities such as Katy Perry, Snoop Dogg, and even Tony Hawk getting involved with this rampant new technology. It's clear to see that the NFTs are a clearly defined part of the decentralized future. Furthermore, there are actually countless applications of this NFT technology. Using it to create unique digital art is merely the tip of the iceberg of what NFTs are truly capable of. With conceptual use cases involving official documents, medical records, and land ownership deeds being developed as we speak. The hot picks we have for you today are somewhat unique and definitely intuitive projects. They're seriously undervalued and are set to see some insane levels of growth. Number 5. Treeverse. The concept of virtual real estate is definitely not a new one. Video game enthusiasts have been spending insane amounts of cash on purchasing digital land. Around 2013, an MMORPG, Entropia Universe, actually sold a plot of land for a whopping $600,000, and this is far before the concept behind NFTs was even dreamt of. Most recently, the NFT-related virtual real estate sector has been booming, with huge titles such as Decentraland and The Sandbox recently breaking records with a whopping $900,000 digital land sale in order to develop a virtual shopping district. Treeverse opts for a less realistic and radically unique graphical art style, a pixel-themed metaverse that looks to rock the NFT space through a gamified experience. Still in its early days, Treeverse looks to offer investors the ability to purchase land in virtual cities, having recently undergone a pre-sale with NFT land assets ranging in cost from $6,000 upwards. Keep in mind that Treeverse is yet to boom, with only initial land sales available and no actual playable product released as of yet. We're set to see some crazy price bumps further along with the development. But this is merely the tip of the iceberg. Number 4. Seedify.fund. The NFT space is definitely going to ramp up the blockchain gaming sector. This is due to the fact that NFT gamification is one of the easiest utility and use case applications for NFT-related assets. Doesn't matter if the offering is virtual land or an NFT-backed trading card game, the blockchain gaming sector is about to see a huge boom. That being said, Seedify Fund and other blockchain gaming-related incubators and launchpad incubators are the perfect safe bet to show your bullish stance of the rapidly emergent crypto subsector. Much like many other IDO and launchpad platforms, holding a certain amount of Seedify tokens will allow investors to actually bid and partake in the initial public sales of selected project launches. The Seedify team will select quality and trustworthy projects as well as utilize their own expertise and deal flow in order to help incubate and further develop the projects they feature. The launchpad sector has also seen some impressive levels of growth across the previous year, with the release of BSC Pad sending ripples across the crypto world. With upcoming releases such as Tron Pad and KCC Pad on the horizon, Seedify is arguably the largest across the blockchain gaming sector. Number 3. Chain Guardians. It's certainly very difficult to lose money on IDO and early buy investments. However, another brilliant investment opportunity is the purchase of seriously undervalued and downtrending investments. A classic investment principle is the always buy the dip, and one of the best buys across the NFT gaming sector right now is Chain Guardians. A fully fledged and operational NFT gaming title that is a proven success, seeing high growth levels prior to the end of the bull run. Chain Guardians is set to see some heavy price increases in the near future, but is definitely a fantastic buy opportunity right now. Alongside the actual game itself, the Chain Guardian team is looking to further develop the ecosystem and shall be adding play-to-earn functionality as well as a launchpad with brilliant deal flow, with an exciting outlook on the future and some highly lucrative roadmap milestones in the near future. Chain Guardians should see some solid returns in the upcoming sectors. But before we get into our top 2 10x altcoin picks, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know what you think about the NFT gaming sector, and make sure to stay to the end of the video because you don't want to miss out on our top 2 altcoin picks. Number 2, Rumble Kong League. Another brilliant method of identifying a juicy altcoin buy is to look for an operational and fully developed project that's searching to attract new players and further grow its player base. Teams attempt this across a number of highly attractive marketing strategies, with the most lucrative being airdrops. Airdrops will see projects dropping in-game assets from virtual land to items to characters to cards. It's basically money for nothing. But even if you miss out on these free drops, the sharp spike in token price is pretty much guaranteed from the sheer transactional volume increase around the NFTs. Rumble Kong League is a perfect textbook example of this, recently airdropping a number of in-game card assets with a current price floor hovering at around $1,500 and a record high NFT sale in excess of $30,000, with that number expected to keep increasing. Number 1, D-Race. Although there are many fresh developments around crypto gaming as a whole, with more and more teams thinking up highly creative ways of creating a game using NFT and blockchain technology, you can't go wrong with gambling. People love to gamble, and the high-quality crypto gambling platforms see heavy transactional volume, huge amounts of liquidity, and insane levels of token growth. The perfect investment opportunity. D-Race combines a lot of unique aspects of gambling. The offering doesn't just offer classic casino games, but allows users to purchase NFT horses and then race them, allowing other users to further bet on those virtual horse races. It's clear to see that the NFT gaming sector is really pushing the boundaries of innovation and radical technological development. The projects listed here are just a taste of the awesome crypto gaming future that not only brings with it a fun video game environment, but also looks to earn gamers some healthy monetary returns and quality investment opportunities. Let us know what you think about today's hot picks for the altcoin NFT gaming sector across crypto in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.